Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your Telegram wallet default currency. Very simple and easy. So to do this, let's hop on our wallet. So we move to this section here and now let's tap on the wallet here. Good. So you can see my wallet. The default currency is Naira, Nigerian Naira. We are going to change it to USD in a jiffy. So to do this, we just move to our settings by tapping on here the three dots there. Now let me tap on the settings here. Good, and you can see here my default currency is NGN, which is Nigerian Naira. So now let me search for the currency, which is a USD. Let me enter United. Good, so now I select it. Now I come back once again. Good, and you can see it here. So my currency has been changed. So that's it on how you can change your Telegram wallet's default currency. Very much simple and easy. That's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.